Okay, this is Logan. It is October 3rd, 2008. And it was not maybe 4 months ago that he could not navigate that little rock wall. Now he's just kind of doing his own thing. Logan, slide down the slide. You want to slide down the slide? Are you going to slide down the slide? I'll slide down the one that you guys aren't going to be able to see. There he goes. Go ahead. Logan, can you tell everybody hi? Hey. Bug, can you tell everybody hi?
Hi.
Say love you.
Love you. Love you.
Yeah, thank you. Love you too, Bug. You gonna keep playing or are you ready to go home?
Hello.
Okay, we'll keep playing. Go up the other side, there's steps.
Yeah.
Over here. Look. Go up the step. Oh, careful. What, babe? Yeah, Mommy's got the camera. Say cheese. Smile, cheese. Cheese. Oh, that's lovely. Say cheese.